So you want to be a dog breeder? This is the kind of unexpected stuff that happens right here. Go to the channel, subscribe, like, share, and comment. So back at home with the fish, got it acclimating to the water right now. So I'll probably keep that in there 30, 45 minutes before I let him on out. Gotta give me a magnet. Starting to get some build up. But the magnets at the store, the small one was 50 and the big one was 100. I said, hell no, I can get that on Amazon for way less than that. And I also got this rock. I had that on sale, so I added that rock now. Now I just need some more of these plants because those, man, they didn't do too well. They nip on those and eat those. So yeah, just my angelfish, a couple of these goldfish, and the water is at like 82. So hopefully these goldfish, I mean, they've been doing pretty good since I had it. So, you know, generally goldfish like colder water, but you know, it is what it is. My tank is really built for the more tropical fish, but I like these little goldfish, so I kept them. So hopefully they stay alive with the warmer water being 82 degrees, which they've been doing good. My tank has been set at like 80, and it'll fluctuate, maybe hit 81, and they've been doing good. So you know, I don't see why another degree will hurt them. So yeah. Yeah, I'll bring you back on when I burst that bag and let him out. So the new fish is in the tank, and I got the light off so that it's, you know, that way it's kind of calm. You see it's back there hiding, and after she acclimates to the tank a little bit while the lights is off. Once I see her like swimming around, I'll cut the lights on, but she's in. And like I said, once you know, she swims around, gets settled in, then I'll cut the lights on. But yeah, she's in there. So we'll see here in a minute. So you want to be a dog breeder? This is the kind of unexpected stuff that happens right here. You know, unexpected tab out of nowhere, 173. And this tab is for all the dogs in my house. You know what I mean? I went to a dog show. Next thing I know, one dog's nose is running, which leads to the next and the next. And now everybody's got kennel cough. You know what I mean? This the kind of the stuff that happens. So, $173 tab. Medicine for all the dogs in the house, dogs that didn't even go nowhere. You know what I mean? My Corso or whatever, you know? A bag full of shit. So, you know, that's how this dog stuff go, man. You never know. It's not always whatever they say. It's not always roses and shit like that or whatever the hell. You know what I mean? So that's just a little FYI for you. You know what I mean? Everybody want to breed the dogs and get to the money. It's not about that. And hell, I just changed my outlook on how I'm doing stuff. So I just posted on my Instagram and my Facebook accounts that all my dogs are going to be 3,000 and under until my production start producing, and then I will reevaluate, you know what I mean? So until once I get a name for myself and my productions are doing what they need to be doing, you know, come over here, get you something to get yourself lit, 3K and under, you know what I mean? And I'm not shortcutting, so on that 3K, you gonna get you some shit that should be definitely way more than 3K, you know what I mean? Whether that's male or female, it's gonna, you know, you should be paying double that. But I'm blessing everybody until my productions start producing. And I don't even have a stud yet that I've produced. So, you know, for, you know, whatever litters I have until I have a stud, which this will be going on for like almost 2 years because I don't have a stud. So until then, all of my dogs are 3K and under. You know what I mean? Because I don't even have a stud yet. Hopefully on this next litter, I get me a stud that I produce. I have a stud, but it's not one that I produce. So after he gives me a production and I get a stud out of that, or, you know, wherever I get my next stud from, when my productions, you know, a stud that I produce, start producing with the females that I produce, then the price will go up. But for right now, every pup I post on any of my social medias, which are all the same thing, short stack kennels, and that's stack without the C, STAK, short stack kennels, LLC on Instagram, and just short stack kennels on YouTube. All the pups I post looking for a new couch, whether that be male or female, or 3K and under. You know what I mean? 3K and under. So, like I said, if y'all see I got something posted, you better jump on it. I ain't got time for you to talk my ear off or cap around. I ain't gonna be negotiating. It's either you dropping a bag or not. So, yeah. This is just a little quick video on, you know, the unexpected things of, you know, breeding these dogs, man. And going to shows and stuff like that. So, just thought I'd fill you guys in on that. And about to go in here and give everybody a round of medicine, and that's what's up. I see you guys on the other side. What's up, YouTube? Out here about to clean these dog cages out. Got them out here barking at the neighbors, dogs, and whatnot. I don't know if y'all can see them. Hey! Hey! Mozzie! Go! Thoroughly cleaning their cages out and thoroughly cleaning the house. I think the kennel coughs ran rampant with them, and pretty sure it came from the dog show. I was at the dog show, as you guys seen the previous video, and so I think, you know, it's done passed around. So I got to get out here and clean these cages up. It's just a part of that dog life, man. So it is what it is. So let me get to cleaning, man.
I am the struggle, I am the hustle. I came
that's part of God's plan. He had to get my attention and show your boy the ropes. I'm making music now, and I ain't gotta sell dope. Shit changing for the better. Just hope this $1 million put my family back together. My grandma died, the shit ain't been the same. I really miss her. Only time I see her in my dreams are on the picture. I'm trying to be a different man, I'm not the same nigga. Didn't have no father, so how I'ma be a father figure? I'm gonna have to figure it out. Can't let these stupid situations knock me down and out. I gotta get back on my feet and win this title bout. Shit in the air like nigga try and knock me out.
For everybody who want cheap dogs, this is why you can't get cheap dogs. Cheap, micro, exotic dogs, EB, Frenchie. This is what your breeder gotta do. This is on the normal basics. You know what I mean? 24/7, cleaning poop, pee, making sure the pups are well nourished. You know, making sure they live. It's all kinds of time and money that goes into this. You know, Frenchies and micro exotics, man, they don't have natural births. It's C-sections and that cost, you know, $2,000 to $5,000. You know, maybe $1,000. Just depends on where you at, where you from, what you close to. So ain't no cheap dogs, man. It's a lot of money, a lot of sleepless nights going into this. Think about that next time y'all think y'all doing something by telling somebody you want to buy their dog for $2,000 and they got it listed for $4,000 or $5,000, $6,000. No. So show your muscles, flex, and tell them haters, big. I am the struggle, I am the hustle.